a lot of solar lights, and I have to say these are probably my favorite ones I've ever picked up. So here they are, just like this. You can see how cool they are, really good quality. Places I could put them, but it doesn't take much light to get them going. Only charge them for about an hour, and so far really like them. Highly recommend them. They feel quality. I mean, the fact that they're glass, great conversation starter. Hey guys, quick unboxing and review of this 6-pack of solar lights. First impressions, pretty darn cool. Check them out. They feel really heavy duty. Kind of take this out here. Seems like they've got a lot longer string light all in here. So here's the size and scale of them. I like that the handles actually have the LEDs built into them. I got them set up here. I'm gonna get them charging, set them up, show you guys what it looks like at night. So here they are from a distance. They give a really nice glow all together. Get a little bit closer. Super cool. The way the handle's kind of shaped, you see my camera just adjusted to them, but backing up again, you can see I just have them kind of on a little weight rack here. A lot of different, hold them up, they get a good light as you go about it. I actually kind of took them and looped them over themselves so you can hang them. So if you have a hook, that's one way to do it, or you can just kind of wrap them around themselves. Overall, just the quality of these is great. Had a lot of solar lights, and I have to say these are probably my favorite ones I've ever picked up in this kind of category, but I don't need a big long string light. I want something more creative, artistic stuff. I could just see myself doing so much with my camera. If you're looking for something to get, you know, your patio or outdoors going, kind of like I'm looking forward to. And again, back up, show you guys the tone. Really, really nice. Really like them.